One of the new features of Facebook is the ability to set a temporary profile picture that expires after a defined period. In this video, I'll show you how you can set a temporary profile picture on Facebook. So follow the instructions on how to do this. You open the app on your device and tap on your profile picture beside what's on your mind. Next, you click on the camera icon next to your profile picture. A menu with multiple options will appear. Choose Select Profile Picture from your phone gallery. Tap on More and select the photo you want to set by clicking on it. You can choose to edit and make some adjustments to select the portion that will be displayed. You tap on the Edit button. Click on Done to save the changes, and you tap on the Next button at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's choose the period during which the profile will be on your profile. You click on Make Temporary. A menu with different time period will appear, either 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week. Or you can set it yourself if you choose the custom option. After selecting your preferred option, you click on Save at the top of the screen. After a few seconds, the profile picture will change and the designated time period will be displayed on it. So that's it. That is how you set a temporary profile picture on your Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. See you in the next video.